2006 Jaguar S-Type R, a true sleeper sedan. Under the hood, a 4.2-liter supercharged V8 pushing 400 horsepower and 560 Nm of torque. 0 to 100 in just over 5 seconds with smooth rear-wheel drive. Classic British luxury with serious muscle.
And then when it needed to be, it's just a smooth cruise with the lightest touch on the throttle, and it just responds. First time I'm driving this car, and I gotta say, feels good. It does not look that luxurious. Back in the 2005s and 6, the S-Class, I think it does it better when it comes to luxury style. But all in all, great looking car. Engine, definitely the high point of it.